brand Gionee. So you can see here, this is branding over there. This is U-Buddy, basically new kind of earphones. You can see the image is already there on the box, and specifications are already mentioned at the back side of this box. You can see this is of 5 milliwatt power earphone, and it has 117 centimeter of cable size. So overall, if you'll see, the pricing is also mentioned over here. It is priced at 799, which is much higher side, but nowadays actually you will be able to get this at very affordable price tag of 299 rupees only. And this has the warranty of 6 months. You can see that is already there on the box. Warranty is also present there. So overall, I'll say this is one of the trusted brand which was doing very great at the time of its smartphone S, when it was making world's slimmest phone. It has produced a lot of best devices in the world. So overall, I'll say definitely this is one of the trusted brand. You can trust on this, and for this earphones, obviously it is very great product. So now I'm going to unbox this product. So let's have a look on the unboxing. So you can see this is the box packaging. I'll not say in the packaging department it is great. Obviously packaging is very normal, but inside this you are getting a very good packaging. You can see this is the rubberized this box, and you can see earphones are placed and in a well mannered. So yeah, this is the main unit, earphone. This is another one, and you can see this is the middle part. So what else you are getting? Just these ear tips. I like to show you the quality of these extra earbuds as well. So you are getting total 4 ear cups with this particular earphone. 2 are of very small size and 2 are of very middle, and one is already there in this earphone. So you can see these earphones are made up of metal. You can see clearly this sound, and rubbers are very soft. Here you can see this is one extra hole, which is basically mic for noise cancellation. It is one of the best quality earphone, I'll say, if you're getting all these things in these earphones. And this is wire is not very bad, and not, I'll appreciate that it is very good as well. But at the price point of 299, definitely it's one of the best built. And in the middle of this wire, you can see this is the control unit, where you are getting this single button to accept call, to reject call, and at the same time you can change the track of music, play and pause as well. And here you can see this is mic, which is for basically having word with your friends while talking. And at the back of this main unit is its Gionee branding is there, and total length of the cable is decent enough. It is of 117 meter, which is more than 1 meter, 117 centimeter, right, which is more than 1 meter of length. And wire cable is made up of build quality, best quality. And you can see at the very chin, this is 3.5 mm jack, which is gold plated. So obviously you will have very great sound experience with these earphones. So I have already tried few of the song. So in the sound department, it is doing very great. And if you are investing just rupees 300 for this earphone, obviously it is one of the great built quality earphone. You can get it from Flipkart or Amazon, anywhere. Best part what I liked about this earphone is sound quality and this